Welcome back. I am back with another skincare product, which name is the Nmbuzin No.4 Collagen. 73% Pudding Serum, the Nmbuzin No.4 Collagen. 73% Pudding Serum is nothing short of a skincare revelation. As someone constantly on the lookout for effective anti-aging solutions, I was intrigued by its promise of being light, non-greasy, and fragrance-free. Upon using it, I was pleasantly surprised by its unique pudding-like texture that effortlessly glides onto the skin, leaving behind a silky, smooth finish. What truly sets this serum apart is its remarkable concentration of 73% Dalton collagen, sourced from Switzerland. This luxurious collagen instantly works its magic by deeply hydrating and plumping the skin, giving it a youthful radiance. I've noticed a visible improvement in my skin's elasticity since incorporating this serum into my routine, thanks to the potent blend of collagen, hyaluronic acid, and hydrolyzed elastin. One of the standout features of this serum is its multidimensional approach to skincare. By combining two types of collagen, 8 kinds of hyaluronic acid of varying molecular weights, and hydrolyzed elastin, it provides comprehensive hydration and rejuvenation. This not only combats dryness and reduces signs of aging, but also lifts tired skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and revitalized. I've also experienced a noticeable reduction in the appearance of wrinkles, thanks to the high collagen content in this serum. The added benefits of peptides, adenosine, and niacinamide contribute to a firmer and brighter complexion, further enhancing its anti-aging properties. What's even more impressive is the inclusion of cruelty-free and skin-friendly ingredients, such as keratin, silk, and wine extract, which replenish hydration and promote skin rejuvenation without the use of essential oils, ethanol, or parabens. This makes it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. In terms of texture, the serum has a lightweight moisturizing formula that delivers long-lasting hydration without any greasiness. It absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it feeling nourished and supple throughout the day. Overall, the Nmbuzin No.4 Collagen, 73% Pudding Serum, has exceeded my expectations in every aspect. Its potent formula, luxurious texture, and visible results make it a must-have in any anti-aging skincare routine. If you're looking for a serum that delivers on its promises of healthier, younger-looking skin, this is undoubtedly the one to try.